mistress. Show no panic, I'm just born in a dress. And I don't